Hi, I'm Tori, and today I'm going to be talking about Hawaiian Myths of Earth, Sea, and Sky by Vivian L. Thompson and illustrated by Marilyn Kahaluai. So this is a collection of different Hawaiian myths, and they're all kind of about nature. They have some very pretty illustrations. They're all in kind of this reddish-brown color. So this book talks about all kinds of different gods and goddesses on Hawaii, and these myths basically provide explanations for why Hawaii looks the way it does, why natural phenomenons happen, all kinds of stuff like that. I thought this book was really fun. It's only 80 pages and it has 12 different stories in it, so they're very short little stories. And some of them are kind of interconnected. So stories will have reoccurring characters. So I bought this book when I heard that Moana was coming out because I don't know anything really about Polynesian or Hawaiian culture, and I wanted to learn a little bit more about it. So it's really fun. I liked it. The god Maui is in here, so you get to learn about that if you've seen Moana and want to know a little bit more about different things. And this is focused specifically on Hawaii, and Moana takes place in like all of Polynesia. I guess it's like a conglomeration of different cultures. But this is really fun to get to see different little, it'll talk about different islands of Hawaii, why they have certain features that they do. And there'll be reoccurring themes, like they talked about making tapas mats, which is, I guess, a fabric made out of like crushed bark, which I thought was really cool, and so it was really interesting to learn how that was made. Then I liked in the back, there's this little glossary, which has a little thing about how to pronounce things in Hawaiian, and then it mentions different terms in Hawaiian. So the stories will go through and just include them, and if you come across a word you don't know, you can go back and look it up, and it's fun. It's just a couple pages of little introduction to speaking Hawaiian, and I thought that was really fun. So I really like mythology collections from different cultures, and I like reading the different myths and kind of comparing them. These were very fun. The gods in this story were definitely quite self-centered some of the time. They had very human personalities. You had to be careful not to anger them, and they were, there were some who were meek and humble. They were very much like super-powered humans, and it was really interesting to hear that. And it would be interesting to know, this is published by the University of Hawaii Press, and it says that the author also wrote Hawaiian Tales of Heroes and Champions and Hawaiian Legends of Tricksters and Riddlers. So this one was really focused on nature because that's how the collection, that was what this collection was about. But it would be interesting to see what some of the other myths were like. So I really enjoyed this. It was a great little introduction to Hawaiian myth because I know nothing about it. And so now I know a little bit and I would like to learn more, and these were very fun. You could read them to children as little stories. They were just very great.